Girl Scout cookies kind of sell themselves.
Because they're really just delicious.
But there's quite a bit that actually goes into setting up a stand like this.
You drew a picture?
Oh yeah, I did.
That's nice.
But for Girl Scouts Ella and Olivia,
How would you be?
this is how they want to spend their Saturday, trying to help those in need.
Maybe like stand by, like right here. That one was a fail.
Northland Troop 638 set up around noon on Saturday,
Where do you want to put?
Like maybe right here or something.
Yeah, it's pretty soft.
but not to sell Girl Scout cookies, rather
Mention cat food, because we don't really need too much dog food.
collect supplies like cat food for dogs and cats affected by Hurricane Florence.
Any particular kinds?
It doesn't really matter, just cat
yeah.
food.
Because every little bit helps.
Very nice of them.
These girls say it's just something we all need to do.
There you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
Maybe those animals were like abandoned and they really needed help. They were sick or something.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
We have a donation.
Reporting in Kansas City North, Alan Shope, KMBC 9 News.